Glass air fryers are getting more and more popular, and with that comes a whole lot of subpar products on the market that you're best off avoiding. With this in mind, I decided to separate the good from the bad and find out what the best glass air fryer truly is. Links to each product are in the description box below. Checking in at number 5 on my best glass bowl air fryer list, we have the NutriChef glass air fryer, which boasts a generous 13-quart capacity, perfect for preparing family-sized meals. You'll appreciate the convenience of its see-through 360 degrees glass lid, allowing you to monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. This feature proves especially handy when you're experimenting with new recipes or adjusting cooking times. With its powerful 1,200 watt heating element, this air fryer can tackle a wide range of cooking tasks. You can defrost, broil, roast, bake, steam, grill, and even BBQ your favorite dishes. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving you valuable counter space and simplifying your cooking routine. The air fryer's temperature range of 149 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit gives you precise control over your cooking. Whether you're slow cooking a tender roast or crisping up some French fries, you'll have the flexibility to achieve your desired results. The 60-minute timer adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to set it and forget it while you attend to other tasks. You'll love how this air fryer promotes healthier eating habits. Its rapid air circulation technology ensures even cooking and crispy results with little to no added oil. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free, knowing you're consuming significantly less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the NutriChef glass air fryer. The stainless steel cooking bowl is both stain resistant and removable, making it easy to clean and serve from. Plus, the dishwasher safe components save you time and effort in the kitchen. With its built-in safety features like the automatic power off function, you can cook with peace of mind, knowing your appliance will shut off when the timer ends or if any issues arise. The 4th product on my list of glass air fryer reviews is the remarkable AROMA glass air fryer, which offers a unique blend of style and functionality that makes it a standout choice for health-conscious cooks. You'll love watching your food crisp up through the clear glass basket of this AROMA air fryer. The transparent design isn't just for show. It lets you keep an eye on your cooking progress without opening the fryer and losing heat. This feature helps you achieve that perfect golden brown finish on your favorite fried foods. The 360 Crispi technology is a game changer for air frying enthusiasts. It circulates hot air around your food from all angles, ensuring even cooking and that coveted crispy texture. You'll be amazed at how it can transform your meals, giving you that satisfying crunch without the need for excessive oil. With its 3-quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. It's compact enough to fit on your countertop without hogging too much space, but still roomy enough to whip up a batch of crispy fries or a couple of chicken breasts. The size makes it an excellent choice for apartments, dorms, or anyone with limited kitchen space. One of the standout features of this AROMA model is its ease of cleaning. The glass basket is not only visually appealing, but also a breeze to wash. You can simply pop it in the dishwasher after use, saving you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, the non-toxic materials mean you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The simple controls on this air fryer make it user-friendly, even if you're new to air frying. The adjustable timer dial comes with suggested cooking times for popular dishes, taking the guesswork out of your meal prep. While the 40-minute maximum timer might be limiting for some recipes, it's more than sufficient for most air frying tasks you'll tackle. Next up on my best air fryer with glass bowl list is the Salton glass air fryer, which offers a healthier cooking alternative with its dual zone feature and temperature control. The Salton glass air fryer brings a fresh approach to healthier cooking with its borosilicate glass basket. You'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes from knowing your food isn't in contact with potentially harmful chemicals often found in non-stick coatings. The transparent design allows you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks, ensuring perfect results every time. One standout feature is the dual zone cooking capability. This allows you to prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously at different temperatures, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Whether you're cooking chicken in one zone and vegetables in the other, or preparing a main course and dessert at the same time, this air fryer has got you covered. Temperature control is another key aspect of this appliance. You can easily adjust the heat settings to suit various recipes, from delicate pastries to crispy fries. The 1,500 watt motor ensures even heat distribution, resulting in consistently cooked meals. Cleanup is a breeze with the Salton glass air fryer. The removable glass tray can be easily washed, and its smooth surface prevents food from sticking. This feature not only saves you time, but also extends the lifespan of your appliance. With a 4.9 quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families or those who like to meal prep. You can fry, grill, bake, and roast a wide variety of foods, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. From crispy chicken wings to perfectly roasted vegetables, you'll find yourself reaching for this appliance time and time again. Now for the runner-up on my LL sit of the best glass air fryers, and it's a good one. I really think you'll love this innovative glass air fryer for its 360 degrees viewing and self-cleaning features, making it a top choice for health-conscious cooks. The Fritaire glass air fryer brings a fresh perspective to your kitchen with its unique glass bowl design. You'll appreciate the ability to watch your food cook in real time, eliminating the need to interrupt the cooking process. This feature is perfect for perfecting your recipes and ensuring your meals come out just right. Cleanup is a breeze with the self-cleaning mode. Simply add some soapy water to the bowl and let the air fryer do the work for you. This time-saving feature means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The powerful 1500 watt heater and vortex convection system ensure your food is cooked evenly and crispy every time. Whether you're making chicken, fries, or steak, you'll get consistent results. The 6-in-1 cooking functions offer versatility, allowing you to air fry, rotisserie, roast, bake, and more. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the BPA-free, Teflon-free, and phthalate-free glass bowl. This non-toxic cooking surface provides peace of mind, knowing you're preparing meals without potentially harmful chemicals. With a 5-quart capacity, this air fryer is suitable for preparing meals for individuals or small families. The white color and sleek design make it an attractive addition to your kitchen countertop. Keep in mind that while the accessories are dishwasher safe, the glass bowl should be hand washed to maintain its integrity. So, what is the best glass air fryer that you can buy? While there are a lot of good glass air fryers on the market, I'd have to say that the Ninja Crispi is the best glass air fryer that you can buy today. The Ninja Crispi glass air fryer brings a unique twist to air frying with its innovative design. You'll love the convenience of having both a 4-quart and 6-cup glass container, allowing you to cook different portion sizes depending on your needs. The PowerPod acts as the heart of this system, delivering powerful air frying capabilities in a compact form. One of the standout features is the high-grade borosilicate glass used in the containers. This material can withstand extreme temperature changes from 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without shattering. You can take your meals straight from the freezer to the air fryer without worry. The fixed heat-safe feet on the containers add an extra layer of safety, letting you place them directly on various countertop materials. The 4-in-1 functionality gives you options beyond just air frying. You can max, crisp, bake, air fry, and re-crisp your meals, making this a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. The smaller 6-cup container is perfect for quick personal meals, while the larger 4-quart container can handle a whole chicken with veggies. Storage is a breeze with this system. The PowerPod and glassware nest together neatly, saving precious cabinet space. The included snap lock lids ensure your leftovers stay fresh and spill-free, perfect for on-the-go meals or storing in the fridge. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but the Ninja Crispi makes it easy. All the components, containers, crisper plates, adapter, and lids are dishwasher safe. This feature alone can save you valuable time and effort in the kitchen, allowing you to enjoy your meals without dreading the cleanup afterward. And there you have it, my list of the best glass air fryers. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product are in the description box below.